So, there's so many life coaches out there these days, but why are some doing so well and the others that call themselves life coaches not doing so well? Well, in this video, I'm gonna go over why. Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the business shaman, and I help coaches and healers go out there and create consistent 10K paydays. And in this video, we're gonna be talking about why you should not call yourself a life coach. In this video, we're gonna go over why the people that call themselves life coaches are really not doing that well, what they should be calling themselves instead. And then at the end of this video, we're gonna be going over specifically how you can identify the type of coach, not life coach, you should call yourself so that you can go out there and start signing up clients consistently. Without any further ado, let's head in to this video. Life coaching. The life coaching industry over the past few years has went absolutely nuts. In fact, if you look at over the past decade, you'll easily see that life coaching, the industry itself, has absolutely ballooned, and there's more and more people who are basically quitting their jobs, leaving their work, and ultimately going out there and becoming a life coach. So when they become a life coach, what they're hoping to do is take a superpower, a skill, something that they have, and turning that into a business by helping people, right, be able to reach goals in their life. But ultimately, one thing that we have seen over the past few years is that the people who go out there and call themselves life coaches typically have a lot more struggle. And the reason that struggle comes is simply because of one thing, and that is that if you call yourself a life coach, you really don't know exactly what you're doing. So what we want to go over in more detail in this video is specifically how do we niche down, and ultimately how do we go out there and not just call ourselves a life coach, but ultimately go out there and identify the exact type of coach that we want to be. In coaching and in the healing world, it doesn't matter how we help people, right? There's three specific things that we can help people with. Those three specific things are what we call the three core markets, and these three core markets are called health, wealth, and relationships. And ultimately, no matter what we do as a coach or a healer, we are helping the people that we help do one of two things. They are getting closer to pleasure within health, wealth, or relationships, or they're getting farther away from pain in regards to health, wealth, or relationships. And what we first want to identify is ultimately what is the solution? What is the thing that we are helping people with? When somebody signs up with us as a coach or a healer, we are helping them solve a specific problem. So we want to make sure that we identify the specific problem we are solving and also give a measurable result that we are going to be helping them get to in a specific time. When we become that specific around who we are helping and what we are helping people do, it becomes a lot easier to identify the type of coach we are and ultimately identify how we can go out there and start calling ourselves the specific coach that we help people with. So once we identify specifically the problem that we are going to solve and ultimately, right, the measurable goal that we are going to be helping people get to, the next thing we want to be going out there and identifying, right, is what we classify as a niche. And a niche is typically going to be two subsets below that specific core market. So say we're a coach and we help somebody and we help divorced people, or we help divorced women or divorced men or whatever, right? We help them with going out there and ultimately getting on a first date and helping people, right, find their next relationship, find their next soulmate. Well, ultimately, right, the first thing we are doing is we are identifying, right, we are helping in relationships. And then what we are doing is we're identifying that we are helping a specific person. So we're helping a divorced, right, person, someone who is recently divorced with a specific relationship. And then the next thing we want to identify in that second level is what we are helping them with. We are helping them get to that first date. So we are identifying two specific things when we are niching down, and that is who we are helping them with and specifically what we are helping them do. And when we are able to go out there and do that, we're able to identify those two specific things and easily be able to identify the type of coach that we are and ultimately how we can go out there and help our clients win. If you're a coach or a healer and you're looking to go out there and create consistent 10K paydays where you go out there and sign up new clients every single week, I got a free gift for you all about how to create a 10K payday consistently, and it's down there in the description. So make sure to take action now and grab your free course on how to create a consistent 10K payday right now in the description. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. Let's go out there and let's make a choice to win today. We'll see you in the next video.